Good morning and welcome to farmIT. Today I just wanted to show you how the farmIT technology works and compare it with some of the different technologies that are out there. So we've just got this little sketch here, just showing you some of the farmIT sensors. So for example, we have a trough sensor, sits on top of the trough with a sensor down into the bottom here. We have tank sensors, soil temperature sensors, we have gate sensors, we have rain gauge sensors, we have diesel tank sensors, we have fridge sensors for vaccine fridges, and we also have the CloudLink device. So the way it works is these devices use synchronized pulse telemetry, and at particular intervals they will send a pulse of information across the network. I'll take a measurement and send that information out across the network, and that signal can go to the devices that are within range. And each of those does that. So the gate sensor, when the gate is opened, it will send a signal to a device that's in range. Now, those signals then make their way to the CloudLink. So the fridge sensor makes its way to the CloudLink. Now, in some cases, there may be physical obstacles in the way of that signal being transmitted, such as this. So if there was a mountain or hill that prevented the signal from this device here getting across, and let's say that it couldn't connect to the gate because the distance was several kilometres, so it was out of range, then the signal would go from this device to a relay station, and from the relay station to the CloudLink. If there's a dense tree line in front of, for example, a diesel tank sensor, then what happens is the signal goes to here, then bounces up to there and here. So it creates a network linking all the sensors together, and they then send all their data to the CloudLink. Now, these sensors don't use SIM cards. There's no mobile phone connection. They don't rely on mobile phone connection. So if this tank is out in a paddock where you have no mobile phone reception, fine. It's not an issue because we're using synchronized pulse telemetry to transmit the data through. So it doesn't rely on a SIM card, and it doesn't rely on satellite connection, because satellite connection can be very expensive and use a lot of power and be very bulky. So this synchronized pulse telemetry is fairly advanced technology for getting data from anywhere back to the CloudLink. Then what happens is CloudLink then is connected to your Wi-Fi network at your residence, and it will, on occasion, then send the data up to the cloud. What happens then is the data is stored in the cloud, and when you call for it on your mobile phone, it's displayed on your mobile phone in the dashboard, and that's where you can control all of these sensors and see the data coming back from them, control when they report, how frequently they report, their location. All of that is governed by your mobile phone. So that is how it works, and the big advantage of that type of system is that it doesn't require any monthly data fees, because we're not using satellite, we're not using mobile phone, we're using synchronized pulse telemetry and your existing Wi-Fi. So that's the big advantage of farmIT. Thanks for watching.